on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making ground beef orzo. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2½ cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of fresh spinach chopped, 1/2 cup of tomato sauce, 1/2 of a red bell pepper chopped, 1 medium onion diced, 1½ cups of dry orzo pasta, 2 tablespoons of grated parmesan cheese, and that's optional, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 3/4 of a pound of ground beef, 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of dry oregano, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. In a heated saucepan over medium heat, you're going to add in your 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our onion and also our red bell peppers. And you want that to saute for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you can go ahead and add in your ground beef. You want to go ahead and break it down. You want to make sure it's mixed well with your red bell peppers and your onion. You want it to continue to cook until it's all brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to drain it of all excess grease. Once you've drained it of all excess grease, we're going to add in our ground black pepper, our adobo all-purpose seasoning, our garlic powder, and our onion powder. And you want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our minced garlic, our dried basil, our dried parsley flakes, our dried oregano, and also our 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. Well combined, you want to add in your 2½ cups of chicken broth. And also to that, we're going to add in our tomato sauce. You want to mix it until it's well combined, and you want to bring it to a simmer. Guys, you can go ahead and give it a taste, and if you want to adjust any of your seasonings, you can do it now. Once it's come to a simmer, you want to add in your dry orzo pasta. And we're going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. And go ahead and lower your heat. We're going to put it on low and we're going to cover it. And you want to let it simmer 10 to 12 minutes until the orzo is al dente. Guys, you also want to make sure that you stir occasionally. Okay guys, once your orzo is al dente, you want to add in your 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and we're going to add in our spinach. You want to just go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. We're going to let that cook for about 1 more minute or so until our spinach has wilted. Okay guys, so here we have it, our ground beef orzo. And remember guys, the grated Parmesan cheese is optional, so you can just go ahead if you want and just sprinkle a little bit over the top. You don't have to. That's it. This dish is very delicious. It has a lot of nice flavors to it, and your whole family will enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?